guys, it's Miss Castor. Go ahead and take Cornell notes over literal equations. So your Cornell notes should be titled Literal Equations. We are going to solve for m with this density equation. So the first step that I'm going to do is I'm going to, since I want to get m by itself, and currently I'm dividing, I'm going to multiply by v. So over here I'm going to put multiply both sides by v. So multiply one side by v, multiply the other side by v, and I get v times d equals m. So I've now solved for m. Now I want you to do number 2 on your own. So right now I want you to pause the video. I want you to solve for h. So I want you to solve for h in the video, and I want you to write out your steps over here to the right like I just did. Okay, you should have v divided by b equals h. If you do not have that, then you need to write over here in the questions column a question for me about how I got this answer. Okay, the third problem that we're going to do is the area of a triangle is 1/2 base times height, and I want to solve for h. So since I'm solving for h, I'm going to first multiply all of this left side by a positive 2. If I multiply one side by 2, I got to multiply this other side by 2. So I'm going to write over here in my steps, multiply both sides by 2. Okay, well 2 times 1/2, those cancel, and I end up with VH equals 2A. Okay, again, if I'm solving for h, I'm figuring out what am I doing to my h right now, and I need to do the inverse of that. So right now I'm multiplying h times b, so I need to do the inverse, which is divide by b. If I divide the left side by b, I've got to divide the right side by b also. So h is going to equal 2a divided by b. I'm going to write over here, since I multiplied both sides by 2, my next step that I did was divide both sides by b. Okay, do number 4 on your own, and you are solving for b. Pause the video and go ahead and solve it and write out your steps. Your final answer should be b equals 3v divided by h. If you did not get that, then you're going to write a question for me in this column right here over to the side. Those are the only 2 problems that you have to do. I need for you to write a quiz question for your group that is similar to the ones that I've given you, and I need you to write a summary for me. Alright guys, come to class if you have any questions, and I will see you then.